Seated comfortably in any seated posture, with our spine upright, shoulders braced back, back of the head in line with the spine, and eyes gently closed. Let us come into peak state by doing 11 Kapalbhatis and 11 Bhastrikas. Kapalbhatis are active exhalations pulling the abdomen in. They reverse acidity, gas, flatulence, indigestion, constipation, anxiety. They slow down our breaths and hence give us longevity. Bhastrika is a vitalizing pranayam, a very energizing one. Oxygenates our lungs and hence every cell, tendon, ligament in the body. If you lose count, you can just move to alternate Kapalbhati and Bhastrika. Kapalbhati, active exhalations. Bhastrika, active inhalations and exhalations. Continue. Feel the power of Kapalbhati and Bhastrika to reverse ailments like chronic coughs, colds, nose and throat congestions, allergic situations, arrhythmia, hypertension, convalescence from various diseases, insomnia, poor memory, poor concentration. Alternate them now. Do the same in a twist now. Twist completely so that shoulders are parallel to the wall on that side. Twist again so that chin chases the shoulder blade. And continue. Alternate Kapalbhati, Bhastrika. Other side now. Other side. When you twist the other side, first check without moving your bums. I did not say move your bums. Don't move your hips. अगर हिप्स को मूव करेंगे तो आपका ट्विस्ट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड हो जाएगा. ठीक से ट्विस्ट करें और फिर ऐसे सिर को घुमाएं ताकि अपना आपका जो चिन है उसको शोल्डर ब्लेड की लाइन में लाएं हम. एंड स्टार्ट. One Kapalbhati, one Bhastrika. One Kapalbhati, one Bhastrika. One Kapalbhati, one Bhastrika. Discontinue the practice. Come back to the center. As soon as you're back on the center, discontinue Kapalbhatis and Bhastrikas. Bring the right hand in Nasagraha Mudra where the index finger and the middle finger are at the thumb joint. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale from the left nostril. In Ujjayi, throat breath. Exhale from the left nostril itself. Continue doing Chandra Agan Pranayam from the left nostril. Chandragan Pranayam, right hand, Nasagraha Mudra. Inhaling and exhaling from the left nostril because the right hand's thumb has closed the right nostril. We're doing this in Ujjayi. As Chandragan Pranayam reduces heat, decreases anger and snappiness, relieves heartburn, refreshes us, energizes us, decreases the flow of bile from the gallbladder, reduces tension, stress. Last round. And we change sides. We close our left nostril with the ring finger and the little finger. We inhale from the right. We exhale from the right. Surya Agan Pranayam. Surya Agan Pranayam increases the heat element in the body. It's great for the digestive, for the gut health. But if there is excess heat either in the body or outside in the climate, it can create more pimples, acne, excessive hair fall, darkening of the skin, etc. So the Surya Agan Pranayam, we will inhale with our tongue out in Shitali and only exhale from the nostril, the right one. What an unusual formula. Shitali inhalation, Surya Agan exhalation. Continue. So you may ask, but if Surya Agan is very heat creating, why should I be doing it? Why should I be complementing it with Shitali Pranayam? This is because Surya Agan has innumerable benefits. Surya Agan Pranayam helps us manage our weight. So obesity, heaviness anywhere in the body comes back to a weight management. Surya Agan, because of the heat it creates, increases flexibility. Surya Agan improves blood circulation. Surya Agan makes our skin glow. Surya Agan helps create a digestive fire in our body. Surya Agan is amazing for gut health and for absorbing the nutrients of the food that you may eat. Surya Agan helps balance our hormones. Shitali will cool off anything excess by way of heat that may have happened due to a gross, a sthul Surya Agan. Last round and then bring the hand down. Shitali inhalation, the cooling pranayam, followed by a Surya Agan exhalation. And then bring the hand down. Open your eyes now and reply in the chat box. How many of you feel that when I mention a benefit or many benefits, you all suddenly pay more attention to that breath work. You suddenly want to do it better. You suddenly don't want to do it for the sake of doing it. Write me in the chat box. आप में से किन किन को लग रहा है कि जब मैं किसी भी ब्रेथ वर्क, प्राणायाम, मुद्रा, बंद, आसन के बेनिफिट्स बताती हूँ, उसे क्या क्या फायदे हैं, तब आप एकदम अच्छी तरह करते हो। फिर से चैट बॉक्स में मी लिखे। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। Let's do abdominal breathing. Inhale, inflate the abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, bring it back to normal. When we inhale and inflate the abdomen like a balloon, we have to push our pelvic platform down. When we exhale and bring it back to normal, we have to come in Mool Bandh. Mool Bandh reverses several genitourinary problems like prostate conditions, sexual disorders and problems, prolapse of the uterus, dribbling of urine, age-related. Abdominal breathing with Mool Bandh. Inhale, inflate your abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, bring it back to normal. Continue. Abdominal breathing is extremely effective. Problems, pressures and stresses of daily life gets the gut, the abdomen very tight, very tense. Relieve those muscles, increase energy, nourish the liver, the spleen, the pancreas, the gallbladder, the large intestines, the small intestines, using gratitude there. Allow the nutrients of what you eat be absorbed well by all these organs so that they can function well. Improve your core muscle stability. Lower your blood pressure. Abdominal breathing with pelvic thrusts and Mool Bandhs, a win-win situation. For gut health, for reversing irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, we've been able to cure age-old constipation, discontinuing every medication, Ayurvedic, allopathy, naturopathy, anything, only by addressing constipation with Kapalbhatis alternated with abdominal breaths. Activate the Manipur chakra here, so rightly called. Mani is jewel, Pur is town. What a beautiful jewel town this one is. Look at the stomach smiling at you and saying thank you. Liver, gallbladder, large intestines, small intestines, the glands, the pancreas, the diaphragm. Feel the freedom even in the mind as you do abdominal breaths. Abdominal breaths promote relaxation, lowering our anxiety. And let's use this duality now, a beautiful one. Kapalbhati, where you exhale, pulling the abdomen in. And an abdominal breath in Ujjayi. Inhaling, inflating your abdomen like a balloon. Exhaling, bringing it back to normal. One Kapalbhati, one abdominal breath. Maharshi Patanjali ji mentions the dualities in the Yoga Sutras. Atha Yog Anushasanam, he says. Here and now I explain once again the administration of yoga. Yogascha chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga is that which brings about a nirodh, which means control. In the chitta vritti, which means the oscillations of the mind field. Tada drashtau swarupe avasthanam, he says. Then and only then, that is tada drashtau, which means we, seers, seekers. Tada drashtau, one comes into a very peaceful state in one's own roop, swaroop, avastha, state. Tada drashtau swarupe avasthanam. Atha yoga anushasanam yogascha chitta vritti nirodha tada drashtahu swarupe avasthanam. As he moves on with the sutras, yoga sutras mentioned literally on threads, on tiny cords, Patanjali ji, Maharshi Patanjali ji's yoga sutras, he says if that can't happen, no problem. Ishwar pranidhan, he says, which means surrender to the Lord. The Lord being your own divinity or whoever you worship. Inhale, inflate your abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, bring it back to normal. And one Kapalbhati. Dualities is what he has mentioned in the Yoga Sutras. And that's what we are doing. Three more. Last round. Lower anxiety. Have a win-win situation with this duality. Recover from innumerable health problems. So much to be grateful for. An activated Manipur chakra. Diaphragm to almost all the way down large to small intestines. Every money in the pool, every jewel in the town smiling up at you, saying thank you. As you finish the last 3 rounds of one Kapalbhati, one abdominal breath, get ready to end today's session. Eyes continue to remain closed. Do a good round of palming. Rub, 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 rub. And make a heart of the palm and place it on either side of the navel so that the navel is in the center on your abdomen. Let the pranic energy pierce through your shirts, t-shirts, kaftans, gowns, tracks, into via your skin and pores, the abdomen. As you do one more round of abdominal breathing. When you take your hands off, take them off slowly, not suddenly. No rush. No abrupt movements. Ready for the day. Totally energized. As you slowly open your eyes to rise. Thank you all. Thank you for being a part of this, my journey, my mission. Hari Om Tat Sat.